Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we have learned cron, df, du, uptime, top, head, tail, many command. Today, whatever command you are running, it is getting recorded somewhere. And if you want to see the all the command is executed by root user, become a root user, type history. Okay, this is the sequence we have ran the command. See, so for example, currently 537 I have ran the history. I'll do cat slash etc sysctld and inside that I will do 10 xd. Okay, now again we will run history. Earlier it was 537 history, here it should be 538. Okay, 538 I have executed this and again I have ran the history command, so it gets recorded. This is for root user. So this is helpful when you want to see, you have execute some few of the command and you want to see, okay, what was the sequence, and you want to prepare some document using that. If I follow this many steps, it will get recover, or this will solve the problem. So you run the history command, copy and paste somewhere in your notepad or somewhere else. History, this is a history for vagrant user. Vagrant user have run these many commands. So from a history, you will come to know which user has executed what command. So if customer is coming to you and saying, okay, my system is misbehaving, I'm not able to understand, whenever I'm running a command, I'm getting this. You will ask to a customer, have you ever executed some activity you have done, like hardware or physical activity, or some like upgrade you have done on your OS? They will say no. But once you log in as a root or some user, run a history command, you will come to know what type of changes they have made. You will not come to know what changes they had made in a file, but you will come to know they have opened a file, file stem got changed, they have executed this many commands, and you can try to understand this thing. So history is a command which tell you what are the command got executed on that system specific to users. Okay, this is the root user. Vagrant user will have different history. Amit user will have different history. So this is a history command. Again, you will see these things. But you are getting 539 entries and you don't want to see entire this thing, so you can use history 5. So only last 5 command it will show. History 10, only last 10 command it will show whatever got executed. And if you want to see history, you can do pipe grep like root. So this many command they have executed, which is having the root thing inside it. So where it is this thing, it is getting saved, this data, it is getting saved somewhere na? So dollar hist hist file. Okay, so this is the best history file we are having in the system. If you do cat, and so this is the file which is recording all the history. Whatever command you are getting run on the system is getting recorded in this file, and whenever you are running a history command, this file is getting called. So you can do history. Okay, so and um, like one more thing, history command is there. Okay, I am able to see 539, 540, 541 is no useful. So if you want to do delete hyphen d 539, okay, 540 and 541 will remove. Then we'll run history 5 command. So see, those entries got removed. Okay, like we are having 542, 548 history file. Okay, 543, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 is not there, but still I will do 49. Then we do history. See, whatever we did, it got recorded again, but whatever file was there earlier, entries that got removed. So this how you can clear some of the things. But if you are clearing things, that clear history command will get recorded here. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to remove entire history, like history hyphen c, clear. If you run history command, there is no history now. But this history command is like we should not do that thing. We are not doing this in environment. History should be saved. So we are having history, history hyphen c, clear, delete. Okay, and numeric code we can give 5 or something like this many line I want to see, and you can grep, and you already know about the file. What is the file? If you are not able to find the file, you can do echo, sorry, echo dollar hist hist file. Oh, sorry, I have to report. You will come to know this is a base history file. You can read it. See, entire history is there. History-c command will delete the runtime thing, but file will have those entries. So that's all for today. Use this history command. I'll tell you multiple scenario in coming session when we'll go into complete full-fledged interview questions and answer. But before that, I'm giving you an overview of all the commands so you will be able to understand what I am saying at that time. Okay. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Use this history command. Bye.